You are the Lord, that is your name. You will never share your glory with anyone. You will never share your glory with anybody. Almighty God, that is your name. Yes, I just want you to know that we serve the Lord and the God that will never share his glory with anyone. Please, there's one point that I want to make. There are things that we do and therefore share the glory of God with things around us or share it to ourselves. And by therefore creating a curse to ourselves. I just want to make this message very clear. We create curses to ourselves. When you share the glory of God and take part of the glory of God, instead of giving it to him fully, not half, instead of giving it to God fully, and you take part of his glory, you are indulging into a curse. You are stepping into a big trap. Just now it struck my mind, why don't you just say it casually? I just want to say it clear that so many curse and so many trouble that we are into nowadays are as a result of taking what belongs to God. If God have used you, if God has used you on someone, why do you take the glory? If God has blessed you and you become a blessing unto one or two people, the way you will convey the glory and the thanks, and they all will go to the owner. Be careful the things you take to yourself. Be careful what you eat, because our people say, "Awoof the boss belly." Don't take the one that will later hook on your neck. You see, the glory of God, he will never share with anyone. That is just the message here. Be careful. So whenever you take any glory, knowing and unknowingly, try to do one thing. Convey it to the owner, and God will bless you the more. See, I know you know about it, but I just want to remind you. Thanks and remain blessed. Bye.